Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever started a large download, file transfer or video export on your Mac only to come back and find it went to sleep? Don't worry, there is a free app that solves this problem in just one click. It's called Amphetamine, and in this video I will show you what it is, how to install it and how to use it to keep your Mac awake whenever you need. Let's get started. First, know Amphetamine is a free macOS app that prevents your Mac from going to sleep. Instead of changing your energy saver settings every time, you can simply start a session and your Mac will stay awake until you stop it. It's perfect for downloading large files, uploading videos, video editing and exporting, file transfer, screen sharing, and many more things. The app is lightweight, safe, and available on the Mac App Store. Now let's know how to install Amphetamine. First, open your App Store. Now search here Amphetamine. Then press enter. You can see here the first app, Amphetamine. Open it. Now click on Get button. Now click on Get. Enter your Apple ID password here. And then press on Get button. Now wait for the installation to be finished. As you can see here, the downloading is started. Let it be finished first. The first time you launch it, you will see a small pill-shaped icon appear in your menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Open. Now, don't show this window again. Just tick this box and click on Next. Click on Next, Next, and Next. Click on End, and that's it. You can see here this icon of Amphetamine. It is added on the top menu bar. That's where you will control everything. Okay. Now click this Amphetamine icon. In the menu bar, you will see several options like indefinitely, minutes, hours, others time, or you can customize it from here. While app is running, while file is downloading, quick preferences, you can see here, and preferences about the app, feedback and support, and you can quit the Amphetamine from here. Just select the options you want. The icon change to show that active session has started. Let's suppose I will click on one. As you can see here the icon, it means the active session is started. During this session your Mac won't automatically sleep. Once you finish, click the icon again and choose End Current Session, and that's it. Your Mac will return to the normal sleep setting. Now let's know its useful features. Amphetamine offers several powerful features. You can create triggers that automatically keep your Mac awake when a specific app is running. You are connected to a certain Wi-Fi network. An external display is connected. Your Mac is charging. A USB device is plugged in. Advanced users can automate everything without starting sessions manually. Most people won't need these features, but they are great if you perform repetitive tasks. Many people wonder if amphetamine is safe. Yes, definitely. It has been available on the Mac App Store for years and is trusted by millions of Mac users. It does not modify your system files. It simply tells macOS not to enter sleep mode while a session is active. Just remember that keeping your Mac awake continuously can use more battery power. So it's best to use it only when needed. And that's how you use the Amphetamine app on your Mac, and it's one of the best free utilities for preventing sleep during downloads, file transfer, video exports, and other long tasks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac app tutorials. Thank you for watching.